Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see standard 4th and subject looking around environmental studies. Your chapter number 7, Ria's train got late. In the first part of this chapter, we have seen main 5. Today we'll see main 6. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences. See the question number 1. Which stations did Ria see between Vadodara and Vapi? Answer is Ria saw Surat, Navsari and Valsad station between Vadodara to Vapi. Question number 2. Over which bridges did Ria's train pass? Answer is Ria's train passed over the bridge over the rivers Sabarmati, Vatrak, Mahisagar, Vishwamitri, Narmada and Tapi. Question number 3. When is the gate kept closed at the level crossing on the road? Answer is when the train is going to pass over the tracks on the road, the level crossing on the road is kept closed. Question number 4. Which two bridges are located on Narmada river near Bharuch? Answer is the Golden Bridge and the Cable Bridge are the two bridges located on Narmada river near Bharuch. Question number 5. What things did Ria see from the train on the banks of rivers? Answer is from the train Ria saw lush green fields, banana fields and lush green trees. Question number 6. For which industries is Surat famous all over the world? Answer is Surat is famous all over the world for its diamond and textile industries. Question number 7. Which sweet of Surat is famous? Answer is sweets named Suttarfeni and Ghari of Surat are famous. Now see the next page. Question number 8. What do men of Tamil Nadu wear? Answer is the men of Tamil Nadu wear pehran and a white dhoti like a lungi to cover themselves from the waist down. Question number 9. What kind of sari do Marathi women wear? Answer is Marathi women wear saris just like a dhoti. Question number 10. Which is the largest and the second largest city of Gujarat? Answer is the largest city of Gujarat is Ahmedabad and the second largest city of Gujarat is Surat. Now see main 7. Answer the following question. Question number 1. Which places did Ria visit at the Vadodara railway station? Answer is on Vadodara railway station, Ria visited or saw the ticket window, the ticket checkers room, waiting room, parcel room, facility of lockers, toilets and bathrooms, facility for drinking water, a canteen for a tea and refreshments and a staircase bridged to go from one platform to the other. Question number 2. What did Ria see near the level crossing? Answer is Ria saw that people were waiting to cross over to the other side. Vehicles like buses, cars, auto rickshaws, bicycles, scooters and trucks loaded with goods etc. were waiting at the crossing. Many people were waiting without switching off their vehicles. So the atmosphere was full of loud noises and smoke. Many people were going under the bars of the level crossing to go and stand near the railway tracks, thereby putting their lives in a danger. Question number 3. How are water and electricity supplied in the train carriage? Discuss. Answer is water is filled in each coach at station from where train starts. This water is used by passengers in bathrooms, toilets, and to wash hands and face. For electricity, there is facilities of generators on every train. Lights and fans run due to this. In some trains, there are stiff pole like wires above the train which are attached to electric wires running over the train. This increases speed of the train. Such trains are very useful for travel between bigger cities of our country. Now see question number 4. Which rivers are there in your area? Think and write over that river at which places the bridge has been built. Now you can able to write according to your area. Okay. Rivers Banas, Saraswati, Arjuni and Sipu run through my area. There is a bridge on river Banas on the road that goes from Disa. Third, its name is the Banas Bridge, and there is a bridge on the Saraswati river that goes from Vadgam to a place near Pilucha village. Now see fifth question. Think and write why should a bridge be built over river? Answer is when the easiest and the shortest way to reach a place is by going across a river, a bridge is built across that river. Rivers are full of water for whole year or during monsoon. When level of water rises, it is very difficult for people to go from one place to another. At such times, bridge make it easy for people to travel from one place to another. Now see the next question, question number 6. Which cities have you seen? What did you see there? Think and write. Answer is I have seen the cities of Siddhapur, Ahmedabad, Patan and Vadodara. I saw Rudra Mahalaya, Bindu Sarovar and Kartikeya temple at Siddhapur, the Kankaria Lake Zoo, Naginawadi, Sidi Syed Jali, Hathi Singh's Dera, International Airport, Science City, Sarkhej, Roja and the revolving restaurant near Nehru Bridge in Ahmedabad. In Patan, I have seen the Sahas railing, lake and Ranki Vav, and in Vadodara, I have seen Kamati Bagh, the Sayaji Rao Place, the museum, etc. Question number 7. Which kinds of dresses have you seen people wearing? Answer is in Gujarat, women wear saris and Punjabi dresses or chaniya choli. Men wear shirts and trousers, lehengas, dhotis, pehran and kurtas. The women of Kutch wear a petticoat with a huge circumference and blouse. They also wear an odhni on their heads. The men wear a chorno fastened by string, a falyu or a turban on heads. In Maharashtra, women wear saris like a dhoti. Men wear pehran and a dhoti. In Punjab, women wear the Punjabi dresses and men wear pehran, koti and pajamas. Now see question number 8. Imagine that you are going for a long train journey. Which thing will you carry with you to pass your time? Answer is I shall take some indoor games such as snakes and ladders, chess, ludo, playing cards, she-shell as well as storybooks, a newspaper, headphones, puzzles, etc. to pass the time. Now see the next page. Hod's question. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each questions and write its index letter alphabet in the box provided against each question. Number 1. What did Riya's father show her at Vadodara station? Option A. Various buses. Option B, multi-story buildings. Option C, railway facilities. D, big bazaar. Answer is railway facilities. Riya's father saw railway facilities at Vadodara station. Number 2. Which aspect should be kept in mind while going over the level crossing? Option A, one should cross over quickly. B, one should wait for the train. C, one should take the permission of the gatekeeper. D, one should look to the left and right while going over the level crossing. Answer is option D, one should look to the left and right while going over the level crossing. Number 3. What does the ticket checker do to people who travel without tickets? Option A, he scolds them. B, he fines them and gives a receipt. C, he sends them to prison. D, he makes them get down. Answer is option B, he fines them and gives a receipt. The ticket checker fines them and gives the receipt to the people who travel without the tickets. Number 4. Which rivers flows near Vadodara? Near Vadodara. A. Narmada. B. Vishwamitri. C. Tapi. And D. Mahisagar. Option is B. Vishwamitri. Here your chapter is completed. We will see the next chapter in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.